Hi guys, it's Van from Review My Life coming to you with an honest review for a purifier that makes the sniffles go bye-bye. You can check out TRACS website in the description below so we can go through their website together, or you can, as always, finish listening to the video and then checking out their website. They're even running a promotion on their website now. Either way, I'm just letting you know that the website link is in the description below. So the TRACS portable air purifier is a portable multi-stage air purifier that combines medical grade HEPA filtration and ultraviolet germicidal radiation technology. Known to eliminate the human coronavirus, bacteria, odors, dust, allergens, and a lot of volatile organic compounds at 99% efficiency without releasing anything back into the environment. The purifier basically covers up to 1,000 square feet. The advanced technology, quiet operation, and the low-cost maintenance help make TRACS your go-to air purifier. The TRACS portable air purifier is actually the only medical-grade air purifier made in the USA. So, what makes this purifier special? Well, first of all, this unit is portable. It is a commercial quality portable version of their medical grade ceiling mounted air purifiers, which is installed in most hospitals and other medical facilities. It uses top of the line medical grade HEPA filters that traps bacteria and viruses using their carbon web pre-filter to remove odors and toxic gases. It also has a 4-speed inverse impeller fan which features whisper mode and indicator lights that let you know when exactly you need to replace lamps and the HEPA filters. It basically purifies the air up to about, again, 1,000 square feet every 20 minutes. It's made in the USA, out of solid steel, welded together, with a powder coated finish. They even offer a lifetime warranty on the frame and a 5-year warranty on everything else. And what's better than that? Well, how about a 30-day 100% money back guarantee and a cute little free window decal with each order that says our air is being purified. So I actually have had the benefit of having this unit, the portable air purifier, at home and in the office. We picked this up about 6 months ago for the house because my asthma started getting really bad. I guess with how much lockdown is keeping us home, the amount of dust built up in a couple of days just becomes insane. We were really skeptical at first because the price and the fact that it's a portable unit, but it quickly removed those fears the day it arrived. Having 3 dogs means having 3 times as much dog hair in the room, floors, and even the air. But the purifier doesn't care how many dogs we have. It basically cleans everything up lickety-split. And as we all know, with dog comes love, affection, licks, but most importantly, poops and pees all over the floor. I'm quite the clean freak myself, so I always try to pick it up right after they do their thing. But sometimes it does get ignored, and before we got the purifier, it became really obvious whenever the dogs poop or pee, because the smell is still lingering in the air. The purifier from TRACS literally made me not realize there was a day's worth of poop under the cabinets. I was quite shocked when I first saw it and thought to myself, how did I not even get a whiff of the dog poop? Then I realized it was because of the purifier. The unit we have in the office works wonders, and the office is quite small, and because we're a small team, so basically it gets really stuffy really fast. The portable air purifier works great here, and the fact that it's portable means that we can move it around without having to worry about anything. I cannot say enough good things about the unit itself. It's absolutely painless and worry-free. Changing the pre-filters, the UV lights, or the HEPA filters when needed is very easy and fast. Honestly, it's built like a tank and does an exceptional job scrubbing the air. I run it on low at night when we sleep. It's very quiet. So if you're a neat freak like me, you have allergies that go haywire with the introduction to dust, or just want really clean air, consider checking out the TRACS portable air purifier. It set me on track to getting me and my family cleaner and healthier air. You see what I did there? TRACS. Thank you guys so much for watching, and don't forget to check out TRACS Purifier's website in the description below. Comment down below if you guys have been looking for something like this, and we hope that we helped. This has been Van from Review My Life, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!